Do you ever feel like your dreams are huge, but your energy is missing? You imagine writing a book, getting into shape, starting a business, or finally learning that one thing you've been putting off. But when the time comes, you end up scrolling on your phone or binge watching TV. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But somehow, tomorrow never comes. Why does this happen? Is it because you're lazy? No, not really. It's because the task feels too big. Your brain is designed to protect you from discomfort. So when something feels difficult, overwhelming, or unfamiliar, your brain says, let's do something easier. Let's avoid the pain. But here's the good news. Laziness isn't a permanent flaw. It's just a habit. And like any habit, it can be changed. Think about how many times you've felt stuck simply because the goal felt too far away. You want to save money, but cutting out every expense feels impossible. You want to get healthy, but the idea of working out every day for months exhausts you just thinking about it. You want to grow, but growth feels like too much. The truth is, you don't lack motivation. You're just trying to leap instead of step. So how do you break free from this cycle? Here are 3 powerful steps to help you stop being lazy and start doing what really matters. Step 1. Make the tasks smaller. Big goals are exciting, but they're also intimidating. When something feels too big, we shut down. So the solution is simple. Shrink the task. Want to write a book? Don't aim for 200 pages. Just write 1 sentence today. That's it. Want to learn guitar? Don't try to master an entire song. Start with 1 chord. Want to get in shape? Don't think about a full workout plan. Just put on your shoes and stretch for 2 minutes. When you make the goal small, it becomes doable. Small wins build momentum, and momentum creates motivation. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top. You take 1 step, then another, then another. Soon, you're halfway up and you didn't even realize it. Step 2. Build simple routines. You can't rely on willpower forever. It runs out. But routines turn effort into automatic action. Want to read more? Leave your book on your pillow. Want to work out? Place your shoes next to your bed. Want to eat better? Prep your snacks ahead of time. Make your environment support your goals. Start with 1 easy routine. Maybe it's writing a to-do list every morning. Maybe it's drinking a glass of water the moment you wake up. Routines give structure to your day. They reduce the number of decisions you have to make, and they turn good intentions into consistent habits. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. This rule is a game changer. The hardest part of any task is starting. So take the pressure off. Don't commit to finishing. Just commit to starting for 2 minutes. Want to read more? Just read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Start with 1 corner. Want to work on your side hustle? Just open the file. Once you start, you'll likely keep going. Why? Because motion creates motivation. Just like a ball rolling down a hill, the first push is the hardest, but once it moves, it keeps going. Here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting. After those 2 minutes, treat yourself. Listen to your favorite song. Take a short break. Make your brain feel good about taking action. Here's the truth. Every successful person you admire started small. They had doubts. They faced failures. But they took that first step and then they kept going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Right now, your dream is a tiny spark. Every small action you take is fuel. And the more fuel you add, the brighter your fire becomes. Soon, that tiny spark will become a blazing flame. So ask yourself, what's 1 small thing you can do today? Write 1 sentence. Take 1 deep breath. Do 1 push-up. Say no to 1 distraction. It's okay if you fail sometimes. Everyone does. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the path. Be patient. Be kind to yourself, and above all, just keep moving forward. To summarize, if you're someone with big dreams but often feel stuck, here's what to do. 1. Make your goals small and easy to start. 2. Create simple routines to support your progress. 3. Use the 2-minute rule to break the barrier of inaction. That's it. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future is built 1 tiny step at a time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go make them happen. And always remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our inspiration channel. Thanks for watching.